in bracket 7 times 7 minus 9 bracket complete divide by 5. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of we should start with the parentheses. Parentheses have the highest priority over all other operations. We must start from the left and move toward the right. Perform these operations in order. We handle the multiplication between 7 and 7. In bracket 49 minus 9 bracket complete divide by 5. Now we do the subtraction between 49 and 9 is equal to 40 divided by 5. Now we do the division between 40 and 5 is equal to 8. 8 is the correct answer. Write your correct answer in comment. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।